Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website using AI. We'll explore how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your web development process, making it faster and more efficient. You can use AI-powered plugins and services to handle many tasks that traditionally take hours, allowing you to focus on your core message. This approach helps you launch a professional-looking site in a fraction of the time. Next, let's talk about content. AI is incredibly powerful for generating all sorts of content for your WordPress site. Imagine having an AI write compelling blog posts, create unique product descriptions, or even suggest engaging headlines. You can also use AI to generate custom images and graphics, ensuring your site looks professional and unique without needing a dedicated designer. Now, let's dive into design and customization. AI can analyze your preferences and suggest the perfect WordPress theme and layout, saving you countless hours of searching. It can also help you fine-tune colors, fonts, and other visual elements to perfectly align with your brand identity. With AI-powered builders, even those with zero coding experience can create stunning, professional-looking websites effortlessly. Finally, AI isn't just for building. It's also fantastic for optimization and maintenance. AI tools can analyze your site's performance and suggest improvements for faster loading speeds and better search engine rankings. They can also help with security, identifying potential threats, and keeping your site safe. Plus, AI can automate routine tasks like backups and updates, ensuring your WordPress site runs smoothly around the clock.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.